Okay, little TLC personalization, a little cleanup, and I'd say the saw is ready to go. So there's the little shield. I don't think it'll be in the way. It's just adds a little design and maybe some little protection. I don't know. I mean, you're not likely to hit your hand on the muffler anyway, but I think it's kind of cool. So we're ready to cut some wood with it. I have to gas it up though in oil. What you doing, Maya? I do like the stone table. It's great to work on. Makes a nice work area outside. Okay, on to the next task. Breakfast.